This is one of the tricks for the Windows 10 Start menu. If you have applications that you use frequently, give the serial number when calling through the Start menu as needed. Write 1, 2, 3 and so on in front of the color shortcuts for these applications in the Start menu. Here is an example. Open File Explorer, then browse to Drive C. Click the View menu, then check the Hidden Items option. Now you will see the C Program Data folder. Browse the C Program Data Microsoft Windows Start Menu Programs folder. Right-click the shortcut that you want to increase its position, then select Rename. Type 1 followed by a space in front of the shortcut name. Repeat the procedure. Type 2 followed by a space in front of the other shortcut you want. And so on. Now notice that your Start menu has changed its order. Don't forget to click subscribe for more videos.